Hi, we move on to our next level 1 algebra video, and in this video we're going to talk about solving inequations. In mathematics, an inequation is an equation that uses the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than equal to signs instead of an equal sign. Solutions to inequations are not single values. We're not going to find a solution x is equal to 6, but it's going to be a range of values like x can be less than 6 or x is greater than or equal to 9. Now let's just make sure you're feeling better about these because it always takes time to get used to them. We have the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, the less than or equal to symbol, and the greater than or equal to symbol. Now we're going to solve inequations exactly the same way as equations, except if you need to multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequation sign. Right, we've got two examples to talk about. Let's go. Example 1, solving this inequation. 2x minus 9 is less than 13. Right, so we're going to do exactly as before. Whatever we do on one side, we do the other, except if we divide by a negative number or multiply by a negative number, then we must reverse the sign. So see this minus 9, we're going to plus 9 to get rid of it on both sides. On the left-hand side, the minus 9 and plus 9 cancel to 0, and that leaves us with just 2x. And on the right-hand side, 13 plus 9 is 22. Now we haven't multiplied or divided by negative, so the sign stays the same. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2, get rid of the coefficient of 2 out the front of the x. On the left, 2 divided by 2 cancels just to x. And on the right, 22 divided by 2 is 11. Again, we're not dividing or multiplying by a negative number, so the sign stays as a less than. So x is less than 11. What does that mean? It means we can have any value that is less than 11 as our solution. So any value like 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, negative 1, negative 10 are solutions to this problem. Even 10.2 is okay. Even 10.99 is okay, so long as it's less than 11. And when you draw it on the number line, we're going to put a circle around 11 and make it an open circle, which tells people that the number 11 is not allowed, but any number less than that is okay. All right, example 2. We're going to solve this. 3 bracket 5 minus 2x bracket is greater than or equal to the number 9. Right, let's get started. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're going to first of all expand out the left-hand brackets. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. Okay, we're going to get rid of the 15 by minusing 15 on both sides. So 15 minus 15 on the left cancel, leaving us the negative 6x. And on the right, 9 minus 15 leaves us with negative 6. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 6 to get rid of the negative 6 out the front of the x. On the left-hand side, the negative 6's cancel, leaving us just the x. And on the right, negative 6 divided by negative 6, any number divided by itself is 1 whole. The two negatives make a positive anyway. But because we had to divide by a negative number, we're going to have to take the greater than or equal to sign and flip it around and make it a less than or equal to. So our solution, x, has to be less than or equal to the number 1. When we draw this on the number line, we can have any value that's less than 1, like 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. We can have 0.5 or 0.9. We can have 1 because it's less than or equal to 1. So we're going to colour in the dot at 1 because that tells us we can have the number 1 if we need it. Great, thanks for watching.